Hey there, health enthusiasts! Turmeric is a powerhouse of health benefits, but are you absorbing it effectively? Let's explore how to get the most out of this golden spice for your health. Why absorption matters. Bioavailability. Turmeric contains curcumin, but its absorption in the body is limited without enhancement. Enhancing absorption. Pairing turmeric with certain foods or methods can significantly boost its bioavailability. Ways to enhance turmeric absorption. 1. Black pepper. Piperine, found in black pepper, enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Add a pinch of black pepper to turmeric-rich dishes or drinks. 2. Healthy fats. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so consuming it with healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or avocado can enhance absorption. 3. Heat. Cooking turmeric in dishes increases its solubility in fat and water, making it easier for the body to absorb. 4. Quercetin. Found in foods like apples, onions, and berries, quercetin can improve curcumin absorption when consumed together. 5. Turmeric tea. Steep turmeric in hot water with ginger and a dash of black pepper for a warming, absorbable drink. How to incorporate turmeric for maximum benefits? Golden milk. Mix turmeric with milk, black pepper, and honey for a soothing bedtime drink. Curries and soups. Incorporate turmeric into your favorite dishes to add flavor and health benefits. Smoothies. Blend turmeric with fruits, spinach, and coconut oil for a nutrient-packed smoothie. Important considerations. Quality matters. Use high-quality turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root for maximum potency. Dosage. Consult a healthcare provider for appropriate turmeric consumption, especially if on medications or pregnant. Unlock the full potential of turmeric by enhancing its absorption. Like and share this video to spread the knowledge on maximizing turmeric benefits for optimal health.